Hello guys, welcome back to the channel as part of our Python programming series. This is program 4. Now, if you read the question very carefully, it's a little bit tricky. We are going day by day, the hardness increasing, not day by day, program by program, the hardness is increasing. So, write a Python program to read two numbers. Sorry, write a Python program to read number of chocos. Chocos or chocolates or something, fruits or anything. Number of chocos. So how the number of chocos will be one choco, two choco, three choco, four choco, right? It is an integer. We should understand it is an integer and tell whether it can be it can be given to four children equally or not. Means basically what they are telling means you will be given some chocos, you will be given some chocos, x number of chocos, x, it can be 5, it can be 10, it can be 20, it can be 3, it can be 1, it can be 0, anything, any number, any number of chocos you should distribute to four students, four children, basically four children equally, they told. Understand, I will read the question one more time. Write a Python program to read number of chocos. We should read an input knowing as a number, because choco cannot be half, 1 by 4, floating, no, no, right? So that we need to read number of chocos and integer, one choco, two choco, like this, integer only, number, chocolates, how many chocolates, three chocolates, four chocolates, a number, so integer, and tell whether, and we should tell it is true or false. Whether means true or false, yes or no, yes or no. It can be given to four children equally, okay? So for example, if you have given with 12 chocolates, for example, if x is equals to 12 chocolates, there are four children, children 1, children 2, children 3, children 4. i will give I will give, I will give one chocolate, one chocolate, one chocolate, one chocolate. Next, second chocolate, second chocolate, second chocolate, second chocolate. Next, third chocolate, third chocolate, third chocolate, third chocolate. Now, four people I distributed 12 chocolates. So this is perfect. Yes, true. I can give. If seven, if seven, if seven, one, two, three, four. Next, five, six, seven. So this kid, this fourth kid haven't got one more chocolate. So that I cannot, it can be tell as false. False. Clear? False. I cannot give seven chocolates equally to four children. This is question. If it is eight, if it is eight, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Yes, correct. Every kid got two chocolates equally I distributed. Next, if it is four, I am erasing this. If it is four, one, two, three, four. This is also true. Basically, if you understand what the logic behind this, if it is divisible by 4, given chocolates 12 is divisible by 4, is divisible by 4. If it is divisible by 4, then I can give 4 children. If it is not, if it is not, I cannot give. For example, 7 is not divisible by 4, so that I cannot give. 3 is not divisible by 4, so I cannot give. 5 is not divisible by 4, so that I cannot give. 8, yeah, 8 is divisible by 4, I can give. Next, 12, yes, 12 also divisible. 16, yes. 20, yes. 24, yes. 28, yes. Basically, 4 table. All the elements in 4 table I can distribute. Why? Because here 4 children. Am I right? So we got the logic. If it is divisible by 4, chacos, chacos divisible by 4. And how you will tell whether it is divisible by 4 or not? Let's check. Let's check. See, for example, 7 I took. 4 table 7. 4 1s are 4, 3. I got remainder 3, quotient 1. Okay, okay. Let me check. 4, 8. 4 2s are 8, 0. Oh, reminder 0 coming if it is divisible. Okay, let me check one more case to understand. 4 3s are 12, 0. Okay, 4 4s are 16, 0. Acha, see, now the logic is, 1 minute. If it is divisible, I am getting 0. If it is divisible by 4, I am getting 0. If it is not divisible, I am not getting 0. I am not getting 0. If it is divisible, I am getting 0. If it is not divisible, I am not getting 0. So this is the logic. How to get the remainder? How to get the remainder? This is known as quotient. 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 This is known as reminder. How to get the reminder? If you learn operators, we have learned in the operator there is one very good operator which will give the reminder. That operator name is modulus, mod operator, percentage symbol. It will give the reminder. Am I correct? Yes. So so what is our input? What is our input? Chocolates or chocos, anything fine. It is basically integer, so we will get an integer, a number as an input. What is the output? True or false? True or false? Am I correct? Yes, we can distribute or we cannot distribute. True or false? What is the method? What is the procedure? We need to check whether given chocolates divisible, divisible by 4 or not. 4 or not. That's all. It's very simple. You need to think how can we tell divisible or not by using number of inputs. You should see what if 12. You should think what is 3, what if 3, what if 7, what if 8, what if 12. Like this, you need to think. I did number of examples, right? About 3 to 4 I did, so that I was able to understand. And I did this divisibility. How to do divisibility? I did the division, normal division. Then I got to know if it is divisible, I am getting common. What is common in three things? Remainder 0. If it is not divisible, then I am getting 3. Something not 0. Correct? So now see, first pseudocode, just high level English I will write. Read, read, read number of chacos. Read number of chacos. Find, find chacos divisible. 1 minute, let me write neatly. Chacos divisible by 4 or not. Find it. Somehow you need to find. Next, print, print it. Print it means print, just print whether it is divisible or not. Now I will write a Python program for this. Just chacos is equals to an integer, right? Int of input of. So I'm reading the chacos as an input. Now that is fine. Next, I need to find whether it is can be distributed or not. So so I am storing the result in C. The result in C. Chacos mod 4 equal to 0, or else just you can type chacos mod 4 equal to 0. Whether mod 4 equal to 0 or not, true or false, I am comparing. It will return mod 4. What is the value? Reminder 1 or 2 3 0. What reminder it will return? It will return based on the question. So I am comparing whether it is equal to 0 or not. If it is equal to 0, this C value will be true. If it is not equal to 0, C value will be false. Correct? C value will be false. Now I need to print. I need to print C value. I need to print C value. That's all. The question is simple. It's done. It's done. Let us implement and check. Let us implement and check. First, I am using online GDB compiler. You all people know already. 1 minute, guys. Yeah, fine. Just some chacos. Chacos is equals to int of input of. So I'm reading an integer. Why? Because Choco will be like 1, 2, 3, but not like 1.5 Choco, 1.2 Choco. It should not be, right. So that int of input of. Next, some C result is equals to Chacos mod 4 equal to 0. Why? Because first I should do divisibility and it should be equal to 0. Correct. Next, print print C, print C. And see here, I am putting in brackets. Why? Because first Chaco mod 4 should happen. After that, equal to should happen. Clear? So that let's check. I should give, first I will use 16 Chacos. 16 Chacos, enter. Yeah, it is telling true, true, true. Means 16 Chacos can be given. For example, again I am running. I will give this time 15 Chacos. Can I give 15 Chacos? No. It should print false. Yeah, see, it's printing false. Our program is correct. Our program is correct. And we have discussed about one more case, 7. 7. 7 is also false. Correct. Our program is perfect. Now, see, it looks like somewhat not good. So that I will make it good by using the English statements. Please enter the number of chacos. Enter the number of chacos. And in print also I am entering chacos can be can be distributed or not. Chacos can be distributed or not. Just will tell. Oh, sorry. Again, I forgot the comma here. Let's see. Enter the number of chacos. I am entering 12 chacos. Chacos can be distributed or not. True means chacos can be distributed. For example, if seven chacos can be distributed or not. False. You cannot distribute the chacos. So yeah, that's all. This is very easy. I hope you understand it clear. I am. I hope I cleared all of your doubts. So you may be writing different logic. I told you already. For the same program, there may be two ways, three ways, four ways. If that program satisfies all these things, for example, 7, 8, 12, 16. If it gives both of us will get same answer, then your program is also right, my program is also right. For a same program, there will be number of ways to solve it. We can write in different ways. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, if you found it is interesting, because before three agents are very easy, it is little bit tricky. We should think. So if you're able to think, please give me a small comment. I will feel very happy. And in the next video, we will meet you in the next video. And if you are new to the series, watch from first video. It will be very helpful. This series is basically to build your logical skills, logic building skills, where if you see a question, you must be able to write the code. This is the main motive of the series. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.